you clicked on this video to learn how to make a folding knife, just go ahead and click off. This is just a teenage kid messing around, not knowing what he's doing, and probably won't have any educational value to it. So yeah, let's just not waste your time wanting to learn something and go find another video on how to do it. With that being said, let's see how many times this guy can mess up trying to make a knife. So today I want to make a folding knife. I've been asked to, actually. So it needs to be a decent quality, it needs to look sort of good, it needs to work good especially. And I have no clue what I'm doing, so I did a bit of research last night and I drew up some designs, and hopefully they'll work and hopefully it'll be good. So don't expect me to be able to do good first time or really any time, because I'm not gonna. I can already tell you that. So just bear with me. I'll try and make one that's okay, and probably the sort of stuff that I want to do with it isn't what you should do for a first time making it, but who knows, maybe it'll actually turn out good the first time. Let's get right into it. Those are the designs that I have. Obviously this one wouldn't work because the handle isn't long enough to accommodate for the blade folding in. This one, I don't think the width of the blade will fit down here where it's supposed to go. But honestly, we'll just have to see. Yeah, those are the designs. Each different part is drawn in a different color, and I just don't know if it'll work. Hopefully it will, though. I'm really hoping. So yeah, I guess I'll start where I think I need to start. You guys want to know something that sucks? I have like no hardenable steel, so I have to settle for an old file that I used for making the links of the bracelet last video. I don't use it, but it does sort of suck that I can't recreate that bracelet with it. But then again, it was still pretty tough to make that bracelet. I'm going to use my angle grinder with a cutoff disc, and I'm going to try and make the shape of this, I guess. I really don't know what I'm doing in accordance to making the shape, so like, don't judge me, I guess. Now that's not something that I've used, nor have you guys seen in a while. It's the bell sound. I made this piece incredibly big so that I could work down to it, because I didn't want to just... Obviously the angle grinder is a very imprecise instrument, so I wanted to use something more precise, say like a file, to you know, cut it down a bit, and hopefully that'll be good. So that's what I'm going to be filing to. I doubt you guys can see it, but who knows? Miracles happen. So that's what I've done so far. On that part right there, I slimmed it down a whole bunch. You can see the outline of where it used to be. And on the blade, I drilled a hole. And I got pretty much that joint right there where it folds all like tidied up. So I don't know what the next step is, but we'll see. I'll figure something out. So we got the lock done, we also got the blade roughed out, and we got them fitting together, which is probably the most crucial part of the entire thing. So I think that's a good place to stop for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment what you thought, because your critiques and your just thoughts on this whole project are very appreciated. Yeah, just thank you, and have a good rest of the day. Stay safe. Goodbye.